As a small business owner, you're juggling a million things. One of them is social media marketing, and now you're thinking, I need videos to promote my brand, products, and services. But how do I make it happen on a limited budget? You gotta need the right tools. That's why I want you to take a moment. I'll show you how this tool can help you generate an explainer video in seconds. Traditional video production can be expensive and time-consuming. But do you really have the time to set up shoots, find actors, or hire a whole production crew? Every minute and every penny counts, but you still need to create compelling videos that actually work. Well, what if I told you there's a way to create high-quality, professional videos in minutes with zero hassle and at a fraction of the cost? With Rendora AI, you can create stunning explainer videos, product demos, marketing clips, and more, all without any technical experience. Say goodbye to complicated editing software. Rendora makes video creation easy, even for beginners. You don't need to be a professional to create pro-quality content. Ensure consistency across all your videos with pre-designed templates that match your brand. No more confusion, just clear, on-point messaging every time. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, pick your AI avatar. Step 2, add your script. Step 3, hit 3D generate and watch your video come to life. That's it. In just 3 easy steps, you can generate a whole library of videos for your business, marketing, explainer videos, and more. Try it for free today at www.rendora.ai.